Today we're going to show you how to fit the Speedi Sleeve repair kit to your turbo housing of your NP300 Navara. Due to the location on the car, it's a little bit tricky to film, so we've got some parts so we can show you a bit more in depth on how to do the job. So firstly, we're just going to show you how these fail and why. So what it does under vibration is that this hot pipe rubs onto the aluminium housing and wears a groove. This then allows it not to seal on the O-ring. So there are two different hot pipes, an early and a late model. The early model is all steel and the late model has this rubber join, which was to help prevent the wearing, but we've definitely seen them still wear. So what we're going to do today is fit this Speedi Sleeve onto the end of the turbo housing. This is made from stainless steel, and being a harder material, it won't wear like the aluminium. For the ease of filming, we've taken the bonnet off this car, but you don't need to do that. So first thing, we're going to undo the 3 bolts. You'll need a 12mm and a 13mm. So first, the top bolt that's under here, which is a 12mm. Then we need to undo this 13 on the brace in the middle. And now the last one, the 12mm at the bottom for the earth. One thing I will say, when you put this back together, make sure that you do put both of the other brace bolts in so that the earth can be followed through the pipe into the motor. You could use pointy nose pliers. I like to use a flat blade screwdriver. You just slip them under the clamp, pop them up. Twist the screwdriver. Now when you've got both of those clamps undone, I recommend pulling the top off and then pulling the bottom out. Once you've got that clean, it's time to fit your sleeve. So you need to put your sleeve on the top here. You can get it a little bit started, just applying a little bit of pressure. You want to make sure it's nice and even on there. Then you need to grab the supplied installation tool. What you want to do is tap it down and keep constantly checking to make sure that Speedi Sleeve is still straight. So there is a couple of ways you could hit this Speedi Sleeve on. If you've got a small enough soft hammer, I would recommend using that. If you don't, you could use a bit of a drift, make yourself a bit of timber to put on top and hit it with your steel hammer. Now you want to knock it down so it's about 2mm under the top here. Basically, it's where the radius sort of stops and starts to go flat. All right, so now you need to remove the flange from the Speedi Sleeve. Just need a set of side cutters to cut the flange and then some pointy nose pliers to tear the flange off. Just keep twisting this around until you've got it all off. Now reverse the disassembly and make sure you tighten all the mounts on the hot pipe correctly to avoid any grounding issues in the future. And remember, if you need parts for your Navara, head over to navarapart.com.au or click the link in the description.